pauli lang o stop pa ni diri sa among favorite coffee stop. See you latte. Nindot kaayo diri ang view. Kita ninyo sa akong likuran. Yan. Stress free kaayo ang ambience. Yan. Diba? And of course, mao ni ang ilang coffee station. And ang coffee di ay nila diri, syempre, Palutakay's best daw na coffee. Kaya support local talaga itong ZU Latte na coffee shop along the highway. By the way, nagbibenta pala sila ng coffee beans here. Kaya try their coffee beans. Support local. At sabi pala ng crew dito, gagawa na sila ng kanilang physical store at this spot. Kaya watch out tayo sa coming months for the opening of their physical store. Thanks for watching!